So, who usually takes care of your nails for you?
My toenails?
Mm-hmm.
I do.
Okay. Just that big one on the other foot that you have a hard time getting to.
That's kind of a funny one too.
Yeah, they kind of are shaped like a smushed horseshoe.
Yeah, yeah.
And so the problem is that the skin grows up in the middle. And we have to make sure we don't snip that. Okay, that's how you do it.
Okay.
That's kind of a funny one too.
Yeah, you know, and this is just a genetic thing that how the nails are changing shape. For some people that happens, for some people it doesn't. And a lot of times people will say, "Oh yeah, I remember my mom had toenails that looked just like this." Yeah.
I cut hers, and then I accept her big one. I can't cut either.
Well, wait till it gets really bad and bring her in here and we'll put her on Dr. Nail Nipper. I mean, actually, if she's mobile, this one's going to come off in chunks. I'm going to cut it back as far as it isn't attached.
Okay.
Okay. And maybe that'll make it another 2 years before I need to see it back again. The other option is to remove the nail completely. Yeah, they just peel off. And with this one, there's a lot of empty space under it, which is a perfect breeding ground for lots of bacteria. So it looks like you keep it pretty clean underneath, but if we can keep it a little shorter,
Yeah.
it'll probably be more comfortable.
Yeah, certain shoes it hurts, and then I've been wearing a lot of sandals this summer, so keeping it just pain-free with the sandals. Maybe you're attractive looking.
To whom? I look at these and go, oh, these are great. So, I'll go home a pound or two lighter today. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I have a little sander, and I'm going to thin them out.
Okay.
I'll do them all, and then we'll get the callus after I do that. We'll start with the lot of people will do when the nail is this far back and they want to put polish or color on, you can polish the nail and then just polish the skin here. And I will tell you that no one will notice unless they're having their own issues. And I'm looking very carefully at everybody else's feet. So, you know, that'll be much more comfortable. Is it gorgeous? No. But now it's not going to be pressing on the skin here. Okay. All right. And it can be camouflaged. So. This side of it, thin way out. But I'm also going to show you a little pad that we have that you can put on it that's like a tube of gel to go on the whole toe, and it'll soften the skin and it will keep it from having so much friction on it right there. Okay. So that will also help, and you don't have to use it all the time, maybe just when it gets bad. All right, so let me go get that pad. I will be right back. Okay. Everything else look okay? So yeah, give me your finger, and you put your finger all the way in. You feel how that's all covered with the gel, and then it's a little bit slimy because there's some mineral oil in there. I call these our toe condoms. So what you do is, and because you don't need it on the tip, we can cut that part off. And
this video serves as a great reminder that it's important to have elegant, beautiful nails and to take care of your nails. So treat yourself to a 7-piece manicure set like this. This beautiful gold kit comes with 2 nail clippers, trimmers, multi-purpose scissors, an ear pick, a cuticle trimmer, an eyebrow tweezer, and 1 acne needle. There's an Amazon link below to the kit that's highly recommended by this YouTube channel. Go ahead and check it out and treat yourself to beautiful nails today.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it, and take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.